everybody. Just thought I'd jump on here real quick. Yeah, I know I'm in the dark. I'll get in the sun here in just a minute. But uh, jump on here real quick, let everybody know what's going on. As you can see, the snow's gone. That big blizzard we had, that's all we got left right there. Can't believe it melted that quick. The weather's crazy up here this year. I'm using my phone. Battery's low on my camera, so I didn't get it out. I'm just jump on my phone real quick. Not gonna make this real long, but I went back to work last night, so I'm glad of that. Yeah, I didn't think we was gonna work for a long time. For all that snow, I'm shocked. I'm shocked it's gone already. Sun's out, beautiful day. Got up this morning and washed my truck. There it is. The mud is horrible here. It's terrible. It's killing me driving my truck, but anyhow, I would still be in bed, but girlfriend texted me this morning and told me to get off my butt and get out, so I thought I would. Got up and washed my truck, got that done, just so I can drive it to work and get it all muddy again. Yeah, it's turned out to be a beautiful day. I was gonna walk through here. I think I told you earlier, this is like actually a fairground. They've turned it to a campground for us. That's like, I don't know what that is. Some kind of track, horse track, or maybe a racetrack. I don't know. I was gonna walk over there, but I can't get around that water. As you can see, I'm wearing my winter attire, so yeah. It's turned out to be a gorgeous, gorgeous day. I'm glad she got me out of bed. I'll probably be grouchy later, but that's all right. We can deal with it. Get you turned around here so you can see my ugly mug. I don't know what my plans are when I leave here. The season started off late because of the weather. It rained, I think, like the first week, and then we got that huge snow, so it's really slowed us down. This would be about second or almost third week of the season, but considering we're just now getting started, yeah, we're gonna be here way into next month. I think I'm gonna stay here and ride it out. Stay here as long as I can. They're paying good money. They raised the pay, so that really makes it good there. Should make some good money this year. And after that, I don't know what I'm gonna do. We haven't really decided. So we got a few plans, a few ideals, I should say, not plans, but just gonna play it by ear, you know. Definitely going somewhere warm. You can count on that. I just where yet, I don't know. Normally I take the winter off, but I think I'm gonna pick me up another job after I leave here, find me another job. And yeah, last summer I was a little lazy, didn't work much. Need to build my money back up, so I'm gonna find me another job. What that's gonna be, I don't know, but we'll find something. But anyway, yeah, just want to say hello to everybody, my family, subscribers and everyone, my brother if he's watching. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing exciting. It's been playing in the mud, laying around getting fat and lazy. You know, that's what I do best. So I think I'm gonna jump off here, and nothing really exciting going on as far as making a video. So they're gonna be a little slow for the next week or so, because you know, if I make videos, I'll just be talking about the same things, showing the same things. I'm not going nowhere. And I work all night, 12 hours, and sleep biggest part of the day if she wouldn't bother me. No, she's great. I know I haven't told y'all about her. Nobody even knew I had a girlfriend, but she don't want to be on camera, and she don't want to be all over the internet, so I'm going to respect that and not do it. So, you know, you can ask her name and all that, but I'm not going to tell you. So, not to be rude, I'm just letting you know up front. She don't want to be all over the computer, so I'm not going to do that to her. But anyhow, yeah, I think I'm going to get off here and go fix me something to eat, and maybe catch me a little nap. Get ready for the night. It's really warmed up. Right now it's only like, I looked like 38 degrees or something like that. Supposed to get up about 50 today. It'll be in the mid 40s tonight, and that's really warm where I'm at. I mean, it's really warm. It's kind of unusual weather, but I'm not going to complain. I'm going to take it. But yeah, I believe that's about it. Just want to jump on, let you know what I was doing. Hope everyone's doing okay. Yeah. Till I see you next time. God bless you.